Well, Miss Monette, I want to thank you for the opportunity to pop my shit. For those of you who do not know, I'm Latasha McDowell, your real estate strategist, and real estate is my jam. So, Miss Monette, you were bored. So let's get into how you can purchase a home with no down payment and a lower interest rate. We're going to start off with the USDA.gov. With a USDA loan, it requires a minimum of zero down payment. You can also get the seller possibly to negotiate and give you some concessions to cover your closing costs. And a lot of places in America is now a buyer's market, and this may be very feasible for you. On the site, you can do an assessment. USDA does not require a minimum credit score. However, most lenders do. And you can also check to see the loan basics on the site to determine if you qualify, as well as if a home of interest that is outside the city limits fall within USDA territory. Next, we have Freddie Mac. Freddie Mac has a home readiness program as well as renovation loans that require a minimum credit score of 620. You can also qualify for down payment assistance to cover your down payment, which is typically 3% because this is a conventional loan. And they do have programs where they can offer you closing cost assistance. Next up, we have NACA, NACA.com. NACA. NACA, your neighborhood choice affordable home mortgage, is zero down payment, zero closing costs, no points, no fees, no private mortgage insurance, and it's not based upon your credit. NACA boasts one of the lowest rates in the country. Usually, they beat everybody else. And the beauty of this is it's based upon your behavior and not your credit score. The NACA program right now is boasting this rates, no payment, no down payment, no closing costs, no fees, no more private mortgage insurance. But it is based upon your character and how you pay your bills, not the credit score. So, yes, they will pull your credit to make sure that you don't have any late payments. Yes, you can go online and you can sign up with the NACA program. It's a beautiful program. It helps millions of people across America to purchase a home. Next, we have HUD. At HUDHOMESTORE.gov, you can purchase any one of these auctions homes for $100 down payment. Yes, $100 down payment. The qualification is that you have to be a first time home buyer. This site is updated daily, so it's important for you to check it daily. They may not have anything in your city or state, but tomorrow or even later on today, it can. So these homes are auctioned off with a down payment of $100. And you can also negotiate with HUD to get some of your closing costs covered as well. Right. Now let's jump back to Freddie Mac for a little while. I neglected to mention earlier that they also have a renovation loan as well. With the renovation loan, you can do repairs to the home as well as get down payment assistance also. Remember, with any of these loan types, you can, with your real estate agent, possibly negotiate for the seller to contribute towards the closing costs. With the HUD site, the seller is HUD, and you can negotiate closing costs as well. Let's not forget the tried and true favorite go to FHA loan. Now, there's the FHA loan, and there's also the FHA 203K loan, which is the renovation loan. Now, on the HUDHOMESTORE.gov website, it is required that you be a first time home buyer and you can use an FHA loan to purchase these homes. Remember, there the down payment is $100. But if you're getting a traditional FHA loan, the down payment is typically 3.5%. You can qualify for a down payment assistance program, whether that be a government down payment assistance program or if the lender is offering a down payment assistance program to cover that down payment expense. You also can try to negotiate with the sellers for them to cover the closing costs. But if we want to reduce the interest rate, what we really want to negotiate is getting money from the sellers at concession to buy down our rate. Remember, when we're doing a rate buy down, we have to do the math to make sure that it's going to make sense if you're going to be in the property 6 years or more. We can get into that a little later in explaining why this is important. And even if you were to get into a home right now with the rates on a little bit of a higher side than we've seen lately, you can always refinance when the rates go down. So, hopefully, this satisfies you and you're no longer bored. I'm Latasha McDowell, your real estate strategist. If you have any questions, comments, or queries, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, or you can DM me or press the link in my bio and schedule an appointment. Happy house hunting!